Today we're going to use vinyl to make a two-tone effect on this carbon fiber ZR1 hood that I have on my Corvette. So let's go check it out in this video. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and like I said, we're going to go for a two-tone effect on that carbon fiber hood using the same vinyl color that I have already on the C8 Corvette. I've seen a few other guys that have had the ZR1 hood and have done that kind of job, and it looks fantastic, and I kind of want to replicate that because, you know, it just looks good. And I think this hood can definitely handle having like a two-tone going on. So essentially what I'm going to be doing is adding vinyl over to the front area that you see right here, and then maybe the two little strut areas right there, I might actually add a little bit more vinyl there as well. So it gives like a good two-tone effect that is going to just, that you're going to see vinyl up front where it looks like it's part of the front bumper, and then it gets to the actual mesh section, and then you see the carbon fiber behind it. I think that is going to look really, really nice on this carbon fiber hood, the ZR1 style carbon fiber hood, which if you're interested in the hood, it comes from Extreme Online Store. I've done a full review video of it already, so you can definitely check that one out as well. And yeah, we're going to just use some of the excess vinyl that I still have left over that's on the roll over here, and just, you know, kind of fill that in. So let's get started with this vinyl. So alrighty guys, so we have finished installing the vinyl on the front carbon fiber ZR1 hood, and it came out pretty good. Now originally I was going to do not only just the front section, but those little slivers as well, near the mid section where the mesh is. But after starting it, it actually kind of proved a little difficult and it wasn't coming out the way I wanted to. I might try to do it again at a later point, like give it a second go. But at least in this current attempt, it works out just fine how it is. I really do like this look. I've seen other C8 Corvettes that have this same kind of hood and have done this kind of two-tone effect. I think it looks really, really good specifically with this kind of hood. So something to kind of think about if you're deciding to get this kind of hood, this carbon fiber hood, or even just in like just a two-tone effect with carbon flash and maybe an OEM color. I think it actually works really, really well. But in any case, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.